The Eternal City of Rome was founded in the 8th century and became the capital of the Roman Empire. Later it became the epicenter of the papacy of the Catholic Church. Rome is regarded among the world's artistic and cultural centers. This is also the city where Houston oncologist Dr. Philip Salem visits 4 times a year. He comes to see patients and friends.
My relationship with Rome is really a relationship of love. I love the city. Right in front of you is the majesty of history. Wherever you go, history speaks to you. It's not only the beauty of the land, it's also the beauty of the people. First.
So, Francesco, può essere...
Sure, this is breath. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
It's this.
Let me examine.
Sei molto
Try to
intelligente
swallow.
per non ricevere...
Dr. Salem has created special bonds with his patients, even with the families of those who have passed on.
We're going to have lunch now together, no?
My father went to some Italian doctors and they gave him 1 year. Some of them 1 year, some of them less than a year, but they said that there was absolutely no hope. I was 3 years old and my father asked Dr. Salem just to make him live long enough to see his daughter turn into a young woman, and Dr. Salem gave him hope. That's the most important thing. He gave him hope.
We made him live 13 years. We did that because we gave him the most aggressive therapy. And I'm proud to say that he lived the 13 years with great quality of life.
Another of Dr. Salem's contributions was his research on cisplatin. This chemotherapy is a cornerstone of the treatment of many cancers. However, the drug is extremely toxic to the kidneys. That is, until Dr. Salem came up with a new method of delivering it. Previously, cisplatin would be injected into a patient within a very short period of time. But Dr. Salem discovered that if the delivery of the drug was spaced out over a period of 5 days, the toxic side effects were greatly diminished, and its anti-tumor effectiveness was increased.
And that's Harry's Bar. It's like our own restaurant. I treated the owner of this restaurant, Harry's Bar. Yeah.
Dr. Salem's close ties with Italy began 22 years ago. After treating over 5,000 Italian patients, he credits his good friend Sebastiano Salvatori, an Italian consul general, for fostering the love affair he's had with Italy and its people.
I introduced him to so many Italian patients. Now the great majority of his patients are Italian. And that's why 3-4 times a year he comes here to Italy and visits not only the former patients in Houston, but also new patients. So I am very proud to have been the link between Dr. Salem and Italy.
Sandra, have you met Dr.
Francesca's mother, Sandra, is also a cancer survivor. She has created a tradition, gathering Dr. Salem's patients and their families for an Italian grand luncheon to celebrate life and commemorate those who have already passed.
I'm most proud of not only the fact that they all remain my family, but more important that they
nel fatto che loro sono amici miei, ma che loro si sentono e ognuno.
One of his greatest honors was from the Italian government when he was awarded the Order of Merit of the Italian Republic, bestowed upon him by the President of Italy.
Stasera c'ho tutti i nanetti.
Dr. Massimo Fioranelli shares what makes Dr. Salem unique in his approach to cancer treatment. He always focuses his treatments on supportive therapy, using medicines to counteract the unwanted side effects of chemotherapy and radiation.
The vision of Professor Salem is that we don't have disease, we have patient. We must cure not only disease in itself. We need to cure the psychological aspect of a human being, such as the nutrition, such as the drugs we need to use. We have this commitment to promote the health all over the world, because the pain, the depression that comes when we are affected from cancer.
No question that his liver disease has significantly improved. I believe the bridges between us in America and them in Italy is an essential thing for the rest of the world, because medicine transcends ideology, politics, religion, everything, to the universality of man. The depth of my heart.
Thank you. Thank you.
Medicine knows no geographic boundaries. So whether I'm in Rome, Milano, Mexico, or Beirut or Houston, I'm the same man, treating people, giving them life, giving them hope.